Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Zorin OS and Ubuntu. Zorin OS is a Linux operating system designed to look and feel like Windows, making it a great choice for people who are new to Linux or switching from Windows. It has a clean, user-friendly interface that closely reassembles Windows 10 or 11, so it feels familiar right away. Zorin OS also comes with a lot of built-in apps and features, so you can start working or browsing without needing to install extra software. It focuses on simplicity, design, and ease of use. The system runs smoothly even on older hardware. It includes multimedia support and helpful tools straight out of the box. For users who want a plug-and-play experience without much setup, Zorin OS makes Linux feel simple and comfortable. Ubuntu, on the other hand, is one of the most well-known Linux distributions and is widely used for all kinds of tasks: work, development, school, or even servers. It uses the GNOME desktop by default, which is more modern and clean but might feel a bit different if you're used to Windows. Ubuntu is backed by Canonical and has a strong community support, frequent updates, and a large collection of software. It gives users more flexibility and control, especially for those who want to dive deeper into Linux or customize their system. While it's also beginner-friendly, it requires a little more time to get used to if you're coming from Windows. In short, Zorin OS is better if you want something that feels like Windows and works great right after installation. Ubuntu is better if you want more control, more software options, and a standard Linux experience that can grow with you as you learn more. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.